Boataround is a fast-growing startup, and today we are going to look inside. There is a team, we are going to interview them and ask what kind of developers, what kind of technical talents do they need. Let's look inside. What is the one thing that excites you about Boataround?
I think it's the team. The team means for me something like a family. Especially in a small company like this, you need to work like a family. Not only work together, but also be able to have a beer together, to talk about the personal stuff together. It's not only about the work.
Anybody who loves innovation, who loves technology, who loves smart and dynamic people and environment should absolutely join Boataround, because this is what we are all about. We are all about customers. We are all about their journey, you know, the conversion. I used to work for Booking.com, and what we've learned there, you know, we are now actually using at Boataround.com. So enable customers to book within 2 clicks boat of their dreams. That's what we do here, and that's why developers should join us.
This is the most important room in the whole building. This is where all meetings are performed. This is where everything starts.
A super friendly, open, democratic company. We don't insist that the higher paid person is the person that is right. And with that freedom comes a lot of knowledge. So I think that if you want to learn, if you want to find out what is really new, that we are the right place to be.
I can really get crazy and experiment. Basically here I have all the freedom to do things. And also I have very nice colleagues around, so we also go out together. We also have like our tradition of the Freaky Friday.
Well, the product itself is unique. Everything is developed in-house, so all the back-end, all the front-end, we are using modern technologies. We have a really young and dynamic team. We have great people working here. We have great vision, which we are constantly working on, and really every day working on execution and bringing new technologies.
The one thing I like about the office is that there's a lot of space you can use. If you want to work alone, you can take your own room. You can sit wherever you want. It's very open.
We can start now? Okay. So I love working here because we have great teammates, we have great house to work in. Also we have great playground over there, and also over here. This guy used to dance on the table, but nowadays it's not possible.
Do you party hard usually?
Yeah, sometimes, a few times a month.
Why I like working here? Well, I'm going next week to Greece, to the home country, you know, it's another benefit.
Typical startup, a lot of big ventures.
They have the most beautiful girls as well here. It's just the start, I would say.
This is the first machine I'm turning on every morning. Most important machine in the company. The best thing about working here as a developer is that we are not afraid of new technologies. We are very often trying everything new, trying to implement it to our system, be the best.
Well, is a teamwork core value? I would say yes. It's really relying on each other, because you know, one can have a vision, one can have an idea, but one cannot do it himself or herself, myself. So, you know, without my colleagues, we couldn't achieve what we have achieved, and we couldn't go where we want to go.
The best thing about the fridge is there is always a beer.
You know, people who live at the sea, they have their like different spirit. It's much more interesting because before I used to work with the hoteliers, it's different, but with the people at the sea, it's really pleasure. Yeah.
This is the place where we usually having parties. This This is our drill barrel. We're gonna use it also today. We are grilling almost every month when it's warm enough. This could be our table.
Okay, guys, come and join us. No, seriously. We love Boataround. Come and join us.